Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up FNAF porting so that you can port your favorite FNAF models into Blender in just one click. Let's get right into this. In the Discord, come to downloads and download the newest version. Continue to download, and then select whatever file location you want. Once that's done downloading, open up the program. If you get this, click more info, run anyways. In here, select the game that you actually want to port from, so for me it's FLAF. And then you need to find the packs folder for the game. Since I downloaded through Steam, I'm going to go to Steam, to the game, Settings, Manage, Browse Local Files, FLAF, Content, Packs. You just copy this. Now you can close both of these, come back here, and paste. Then just click Finish Setup. You can ignore this for now. Then down here, go to Plugin, Blender Extensions, and select your Blender version. Click Open. Wait for this to finish. Close. Wait for this to finish. Close. And keep doing that until there's no more. And now if that works, then you've done it right. So now you can open up Blender. Delete all. Edit. Preferences. Come here, install from disk. Find wherever you saved it. Then come into Plugins, Blender, and then select, and then add these two. Now you're good to go. Come back to the app, go over here into Assets, and you'll see all your assets. This is all that's in FLAF right now because it's a beta game, it's not much. But let's say I wanted to do Puppet, actually Springtrap. You just make sure it exports to Blender, and then export. Then you can close this, and you're good to go. He's already inside of Blender, rigged, and yeah, that's kind of just the whole tutorial. It's that simple, it's that quick. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.